Okay, let's look at clock number 3. What time is shown on the clock? Think about it. Get ready. Yes, it is 7:30. And we would write that in digital form with a 730 after the colon. In order to write this in written form, we would write 7:30. Okay, let's look over at the number 4 and what time is shown on the clock. Think about it. Get ready. Yes, 7:45. So we write that with a 7:45. We can also call that a different way. What other way can we say 7:45? Get ready. Yes, we can say it is a 7:15.